Hey guys, here's a quick tip to be able to record all day long with your GoPro and ditch all those spare batteries. Stay tuned. So if you like to record your rides, you know that GoPro's battery life is always a struggle. The battery is always dying at the worst possible moment, and it's a pain to change batteries out on the trail. So I've got a couple of tips on how you can make one battery last all day long. First, a quick shout out to Ride Freak TV, who's got a video on his channel that inspired this one. Ride Freak uses a similar method with a helmet-mounted battery pack. I'll put a link to his video so you can check out that option as well. So first thing is you gotta get rid of the standard GoPro battery door. On the Hero 8 Black, the charging port and battery are in the same compartment, so you need this new battery door that includes an opening for the charging port. I'll put a link in the description for this one. The next thing you need is a USB-C cable. I found a short one with a 90-degree port which tucks away nicely into the chin guard of my helmet. I secured it with zip ties so if anything pulls on the cord, it won't pull directly on the GoPro itself. I went with a shorter cable so that if I don't have the GoPro plugged in, then the cable won't be dangling too far down and getting in the way. The next piece you'll need is a coiled USB extension cable. This provides a 12-volt connection to the bike. I went with this because of the straight connection to the other cable, which allows it to easily break away if it gets snagged or if you have an off-the-bike experience, like I do quite often. The last thing you need is a USB charging port on your bike. I've got the Moto-minded dash kit for my KTM, which includes a dual-port USB charger, but there's tons of other options out there as well, so as long as your bike has 12-volt DC power, then you can install a USB port on it. So here you can see the GoPro is charging from the bike's power, and you can record all day long like this. If you do happen to disconnect the cord for any reason, then your GoPro will be at 100% charge and ready for use. So that's it for this tip. If you have any questions on the setup or the products used, please leave a comment down below.